Hi everyone, today we've had Andrew here from Plimdom installing this gorgeous raised garden bed using these brackets and common pavers to create this gorgeous contemporary look. We've planted up with some flowers and some vegetables. You can use it at home. It's DIY. Come in. This is the brackets and what they look like. We have all the shapes and you can make them longer, L shapes, anything you like. Come in and see us. New raised garden beds.